Ladies and gentlemen, the storm is over with, and this is what the Hudson looks like right now. Brick ice on top of ice, glaciers, if you will. Don't worry, in this Hudson River, even if the Titanic was in here, I'm more than sure it would have sank with all the garbage and pollution and cesspool and human vile excrement that just assholes just throw everywhere. How beautiful is this view? We're at Edgewater Harbor right now. And normally in the summertime, I'd be fishing for striped bass in here. Wouldn't eat them, but I fish. Look at the eels right there. Eels are still thriving in this weather. This is the first time I actually see the Hudson River frozen over. Ain't it a beaut? Gorgeous, gorgeous. Just the way this Clydesdale daddy loves his ladies. Gorgeous and plentiful. Oh, how beautiful. No ducks. Just icy weather.